Good morning. Happy Friday. Today's day. Start the plan for the bill of the console. So stay tuned. It's gonna be a long video. Headed to Home Depot, get my wood now. Cut you back on, get the Home Depot. And show you what wood I choose. Peace.
Shit. No, wait, we want to try it. God damn. Man, I wish you would have cut that shit. I'm not. Man, I got me fucked up.
Alright, y'all. It's been a long day already. I started, y'all see, the day started off kind of wrong at Home Depot. The man cut the wood too short. You know, he left that much a gap, like this right here, on the side, on one side. But my boss man told me he would trim everything out for me so it could fit flush. But the panel I cut out, he said I should have did that also. So the console will be in here late tonight or early in the morning when he open up. But I'm coming back. I gotta go home. I got a package at home, so I want y'all to see it. So that being said, y'all, like, comment, and subscribe, and share. Put me out there, y'all. You see I'm doing honest work. I'm paying him to do my console because I don't know how to do a console. I don't have time and patience with all the measurements like he doing. So he used my truck for a couple hours to do all the measurements. Now I'm headed to the house to do this unboxing. So, boy, it's hot. So I'm going home. Peace. All right, YouTube. I already unpackaged this piece right here, y'all. This is a suction pump. I'm trying to use this piece here to siphon out all the old gas in the old car I got. So now it came with two hoses, a black and a red, and a red down there, some smaller hoses, some fittings right here, some kind of piece right here. I guess that for a basketball. I'm not gonna use this for a basketball pump. But anyway, I'm just all about this for is to siphon the old gas out. So, all right, y'all, the big boy box is right here. I'm gonna tell you something. I ordered this. Well, I didn't order them. I won them off bid on eBay, right? And I paid $100, and I won it off of $110. But the shipping was $60. Did you know the seller had the nerve to ask me to help him with this? If I want someone to bid, it's your obligation to ship it to me, right? With no charges. So that's my little niece car I've been working on right there too. So that being said, I'm going to go ahead and show you what this is, y'all. I'm trying to prop my phone up or turn my phone around while I unbox it, but I'm gonna cut you back on when I'm... Alright, YouTube, I'm back. So this unboxing is gonna be heavy, but I got to do it right. I'm trying to find a place. I'm gonna put this package in right here. I'm not gonna leave it in the box. So I'm going to start cutting it up right now, y'all, to show you what I want on bid. The receipts will be in the box somewhere, y'all. So when I show the receipt, you'll see what I got. You will see on this video anyway. Zip this box up. You know this ain't my subs, y'all. Well, I gotta do the unboxing for that. I'm trying to. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I had a phone call come in, a very important phone call. But anyway, y'all, this is what I got out bid right here. And I'm telling you, the seller had the nerve to ask me to help him. If I had it, you know, but it's your obligation to send me my merchandise when I win it off a bid, right? So, let me take one of these out. It's kind of heavy, y'all. Lay this box down right here. I'll show you what I got. Y'all see what it is? Some cutlass. For my cutlass. I got these rims right here for my cutlass, y'all. I got the same one on my car already, but I wanted to paint mines on my car. But I changed my mind when I seen these. Fire look. All I gotta do is get the center caps. I seen some at Summit. These came out for some 1970s car. So I'm gonna put these on my cutlass. I got 4 of them for a real cheap price. So I'm gonna show you. This is one of them. Little 14-inch rims. Take the other one out. Came from Pennsylvania. Just the second one right here. I know y'all probably can't hardly see them. There you go. See them out black and chrome. Today or tomorrow, after my console gets stained, it's getting worked on now. So after it gets stained, I'm gonna go around my lip right here with some mother's polish, right? Sparkle that shine up a little bit. Just the second one. They've been powder coated black, so that's why I jumped on them. So if they don't fit, I'm gonna give them to somebody. I might contact my homeboy. If they don't fit my car, I might contact my homeboy. What's his name? I'm gonna contact my homeboy. His name is High Base 601. So these if these rims don't fit my car, I'm gonna reach out to him. So he got Firebird down there. These might can fit on, but I'm gonna try all my colors at first before I do all that. So this is the last box. I'm gonna go ahead and pick these out, and show you how they look. This is a limit. So move around this way. Keep my address out the frame, y'all. The third one. You can see the plastic with y'all. So it's a lot of paper. I like them. Easy to clean up. Got that little gloss look to them. Women like to see them. So, these are here for my cuts. Cut, dog. This is not like this is the one and the last one. So had a phone call coming in again. These rims is something serious, y'all. Like I said, it was down for the low. Like I said, I won my bid at 110. The shipment came out to be $60. For all of these rims, so he was trying to get an additional one out of me. But y'all know how a rim looks. It's right here, y'all. So I'm gone, y'all. Have a good day. All right, YouTube. This your boy, Chevy Addict, with another video. All right, y'all. What's going on with the console build is this right here. It's on hold because the lights is off down at the shop. So he said if you come back up tonight, he gonna start back working on the console, and the console should be ready by Sunday. So that being said, I'm not gonna install it in my truck until I stain it, and he gonna screw everything down. So I'm taking my stain to his shop and stain my console and get it mounted in. All my speakers I'm putting in my console, also my board, my EQ, my cup holders. I'm telling you, y'all, it's been a long, hot day. You hear me? So that being said, y'all, like, comment, subscribe. Let's get it, y'all. I'm gone. See you on Sunday.